Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, we are going to look at how to select your audience when you are sending an email campaign in Boma. We are on the review and edit content step, and I am about to set up our email campaign. The first thing we need to do is choose who we want to send this email to. You can view your contacts by clicking Show. You will be able to see that I have a multitude of tags associated with each contact. These tags could be set for clients or leads, or based on attributes such as their industry or the services they buy from you. For example, trade or advisory. Using tags ensures you are delivering the content to each contact that's really relevant to them, ensuring that they stay engaged. I'm going to send this to my retail contacts. But of those contacts, I want to exclude the contacts associated with the leads tag. Once you are happy with the selection, you can scroll down and click on Save and Close. And as you can see, those contacts have now been selected for this campaign. For more information on how you can segment using tags, you can view our user guide articles or chat to our support team using the chat symbol in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.